If you don't have the Add to Bookmark option at the top over here in the Chrome browser on Google Pixel 11, to fix this, you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and then go to Settings. Now here in these settings, we want to scroll down and we need to find the Appearance option. There we go. In here, go to the toolbar shortcut, and then you can find Add to Bookmarks. So of course, we want to enable that option. We want to select it in here and make sure that toolbar shortcut is activated, of course. Now we should be able to go back and hopefully you can find now this star that allows you to add the open page to bookmarks. But in case you still don't see it over here, this might be due to the display size. So if I go to Settings now and choose Display and Touch, in here we can find display size and text. So let's say I have this much bigger display size now. Let's actually quickly change that for a moment. And as you can see now, it is indeed gone. But we should be able to decrease the display size. Let's see if that middle option is going to be enough. In my case, yes, it is. So as you can see, you might need to actually slightly lower the display size to make sure that it fits the screen. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.